So honestly, an advice that I would, give to a new seller, and really any entrepreneur, any person trying to go into entrepreneurship, trying to go into business for themselves, really, is find someone who's already walked the walk, right? Someone who's actually already been there, done that, gone through trial and error, has a system, and piggyback on their success. My name is Bashar Kettu, and I am an Amazon FBA seller, have been selling since about 2015. Just recently, actually, I started coaching back in 2019, and currently have 250-something students. So the first, actually, 3 products I launched back in 2016 were a molecular model kit, which is a little atoms and bonds little kit where you use in a science class. And then the second thing was a faucet extender. And the third product was a Nerf gun vest kit. It's like the little thing that has, bullets and like goggles and things like that for kids. Actually, first sale that I made online wasn't from private label, it was arbitrage. That's when I started in 2015 after my restaurant burned down. And to be 100% honest with you, it was the greatest feeling ever, because before that I was, used to, working 120 hours, running a restaurant, managing tens of employees, had to buy the food, prep the food, sell the food in order for me to make a sale. So the fact that I could be sitting behind my laptop and making an online sale that I had nothing to do with, selling to the customer, was the greatest feeling ever. They say the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. I always say, why should your Amazon business only have one product? It's about not treating your Amazon, especially your first Amazon product, as your little newborn child, and literally launching more. Because I've launched over 100 products in the past couple of years that I've been selling on Amazon, and until this day, I'll launch products that just won't go to do anything, So, but it doesn't matter, right? I've spent $2,000, $3,000 on these products. It's okay, get your money back, and then just simply, launch another product. So, not focusing on one product, following someone else's footsteps, having a step-by-step system, and not focusing on one product, I think will definitely help you to build a brand, because we're building brands here. It's not, this is a way of life, right? You don't want to replace a dead-end job with another dead-end job that you're stuck, right? What if your Amazon listing goes down? So it's about simply building multiple streams of income within your Amazon business, and then just simply thinking outside of the box, being different than everyone else on the marketplace. And also, one of the most important things are, don't look around your house when you want to sell on Amazon. Just because you're a consumer of a product doesn't mean it's going to do well on Amazon, and that's where many people fail. It's probably the greatest feeling ever. I still remember Zach Brown, one of my top students, about a year ago, reached out one day and he said, Bashar, we hit 100K a month. And my wife looked at him and was like, wow, aren't you jealous? And I'm like, jealous? What do you mean by jealous? How could I be jealous? I mean, this is a guy who was 23 years old driving for FedEx, working 50 hours a week, and now I have literally changed his life forever, Zach now does over $165,000, $170,000 a month, but that was literally the great, it feels better than me hitting $1 million selling on Amazon, to see someone actually really making it using my teachings, because I know, this is when I said legacy, that's my legacy, right? Is changing someone else's life forever.